Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel CBGB Motorsports. I'm Colin.
I'm Gavin, and this is our project BMW Z3.
We would have started this video about an hour ago, but we ran into a problem. There was a loose bolt, and we had to cut it out.
This is one of the side effects of using cheap coilovers. Today we are going to install an upper strut bar.
Under extreme track conditions, the strut towers can bend ever so slightly, changing the alignment. This will tie the two together and prevent that from happening.
This should be an easy install. There's only 6 bolts.
5?
Let's get started. Here's the finished product. We will buy a bolt tomorrow at Napa and install it. Except for the cutout bolt, installation was pretty easy. Make sure to slowly close the hood to check for clearance.
This bar is equipped with Heim joints. If you purchase one like this, make sure that you index both sides equally.
Tomorrow, after we replace the bolt, we'll take it for a ride to see if we see any difference.
That's it for this video. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and tell all your friends. Your support is very much appreciated.